signing back into the video game of your own personal adventure. There are so many different paths to go, so many different things to encounter, and so many different bosses you have to beat before you get to the next level. All one big game. Every moment is +1 or -1. You're not playing against anyone else. You're playing against multiple past versions of you, the present you, and multiple future versions of you. Most bosses you must beat are old ways, old habits, old ways of thinking. Keep going, brother.
I'm spitting all the facts, you know I'm from the ghetto. Chilero youngsta na mga pawis nag-yellow. I came from nothing, from the bottom of the slums. Sinilip rap game, ang daming mga clowns. Do it for the art, and do it for the bag. Totoo lang sa sarili to, kaya malaglag. Power of words, lalabas katotohanan. Hindi ilang tumawad kasi laway ang puhunan. Kape sa umaga pagkatapos maghilamos. Payapang buhay at ayoko maging famous. Palaging kumakayot, pataas lang ang biyahe. Knowledge dagdagan, yeah, gutom lang to palagi. Bunbunan kong makulay, subukan mong silipin. Sundalo to ni God, lahat tayo ay alipin. Huwag ka sa'kin na magalit, hindi ako ikaw. Sa dulo may milyon na kangiting tinatanaw.
Trust and believe that the universe will fully support what you want, and that what you are creating is on its way. When we open our minds to the limitless possibilities of the universe and tune into the feeling of support, we are setting up a solid foundation to create magic in our life. Yeah.
Kalmadong naglalakad, hindi na kayo ko. Basbasado ng taas, kaya lahat kinaya ko. Gets mo na siguro, sinulat sa kwaderno. Ayoko lang matalo sa sarili ko na kwento. Bakit ba ganon, sang katutak na hanash? Pag ako umaangat, yung iba nababanas. Ako ay mensahero, sa lupang sinilangan. Di ako takot, walang bahid aninlangan. Malinis indisyon, yeah, maganda din balik. Salamat ng marami, matamis mo na halik. Malusog na katawan, walang bitbit na buot. Binata na maporma, pantalon, walang gusot. Hiram ang ating buhay, paano susulitin? Switch ng kapalaran, aking pipihitin. Huwag ka sa'kin na magalit, hindi ako ikaw. Sa dulo may milyon na kangiting tinatanaw.